Welcome to Polly Parrot's Rainforest Weather Wonders. I'm Polly, your super chatty, feathery friend, here to test your weather smarts. Ready? Here comes question 1. In the rainforest, what falls from the sky to help plants grow? A. Snow. B. Rain. C. Sand. Can you guess it? Let's see. It's B. Rain. Rain keeps the rainforest lush and green. Question 2. Which color do you often see in a rainbow after a rainstorm? A. Blue. B. Pink. C. Brown. Countdown time. It's A. Blue. Rainbows have blue, and they're Polly's favorite. Question 3. What do we call the hot, steamy air in the rainforest? A. Humidity. B. Frost. C. Breeze. Think fast. It's A. Humidity. That's why rainforests feel warm and sticky. Question 4. Which planet has the most wild storms? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. Drum roll. It's B. Jupiter. Jupiter's storms are bigger than any on Earth. Last one. Question 5. What do you hear in a rainforest during a thunderstorm? A. Chirping. B. Thunder. C. Whistling. The answer is B. Thunder. Thunder rumbles through the trees. How many stars did you earn today? Comment your score. Come back to Kids Corner tomorrow for 5 new questions.